Bwana tu na vero pile da kiwenda bwana.
Na wakausi ni wachiki tu.
Ke. Agora. Kwani velo na kishina diudi. Edi pimo yanga kige.
Na liste yako yende. Haya.
So wela wanya ndere nyatege mama undueni. Wela wanya ndere nyatege mani. It's a dedication to some lady, the love of my life, a wife, you know. She is understanding, adorable, loving and caring. So it's a dedication to her, and from the song you can really tell how much I feel grateful to her in my life. The second song is Nyamuelo. This was done to regain the once lost love. So I did it to show the lady that I still keep her deep in my soul. You can go to YouTube, it's entitled as Nyamuelo. Go listen and share. Shinani Yamwaluna. That song we did was Chifwani. Yeah, Chifwani is a name which if I use that name to call her, she feels happy, you know. So that's why I had to tell her, Inye Chifwani, to mean you are my Chifwani, you know. So Chifwani is just a nickname for it. So it means sweetheart. Let me say that. You can go to YouTube, search Chigojanam Chifwani, and please, when you go to YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's there with my picture. Make sure you subscribe, listen to those songs and share. Chifwani, kambanya lungi ni Chifwani nani? Chifwani, adune inye Chifwani. Chifwani, adwecha lungi ni Chifwani nani? Chifwani, kambanya inye Chifwani. Chifwani, tema manyo. Ay, jagi molela ni ay. So okay, and this is the, let me say, the last song we're doing for this session, the very last one. It's entitled as Hera Rumu Malate. Hera Rumu Malate means it means love ends painfully, you know. So, you know, when you start a relationship, it becomes sweet, and that's sweet, you know, that feeling of having someone, but by then, how it goes, it loses that focus and taste until the day that this relationship will end. It turns to sorrow, it's weeping and crying everywhere. So, this is a story of heartbreak that I ever felt. I decided to do this song just to get rid of that outrage that I still had. And from the song you can tell the feeling and the themes that it entails. Yeah man, you can do it. Imana koso matime ngima machwenye giwendo enango. Ogwela ngono mana kose ngima manu chwenye wendo maringo kama. Enango no mana kose ngima manu chwenye wendo maringo. Akiani dobeni kuma magoe manu chwenye wendo. Amanya nendi kuna nena wayo Nikose dobeni kuma magoe manu talo wendo. Amanya nendi kuna nena wayo Akiani dobeni nusiye benagi manu semu wendo. Nikose dobeni okure jawa manu semu alera na yae. Nikose dobeni niweche pinye manu talo wendo. Koso dobeni nikoso mwande manu tamo lera na rito. Mama mwanu nyasaye makelo. Mwanu nyasaye makelo. Ani pesa nyasaye makelo. Pesa nyasaye makelo. Ani mwanu nyasaye makelo. Neni lemuna. Ako ni mwanu nyasaye makelo. Neni lemuna yura. Mwalera mwanu nyasaye makelo. Neni lemuna. Tukoselo bende niweche nyola manore ya mwalera nane. Nikoselo bende niweche nyola manore ya mwalera na tedo. yange mano talo lera na yae kosa no mene ni mino ay mano chuonyo wendo nyandere mino atonge weche mama ngamo war kosa no mene ni nyama yange mano talo lera na ni unu mutu tonge weche nyago biero nera na nyandere mama tonge weche mama nena ge wange mami niketa kaketo seche kana rijoe nino kaninge ni wona donge ne nikona kona mama namanya na bendo kaketo seche kana rijoe nino anikane ni wona mama niketa na keto seche kana rijoe ni mama anikane ni wona